Hello everyone, here we will showcase our trial run of the proof of concept. Here you can see the establishment, which is an ice cream shop, and all the hardware involved. That includes the ceilings board, our Facemask dispenser, and the ESP32 power display. Also here you can see our React Native application. Now let's go through our setup. The ZCU is connected via Ethernet to a Raspberry Pi, and at the same time the Raspberry is connected through VNC to a smartphone. That allows us to be able to run the Jupyter notebook in which all the computer vision is happening, which in turn runs on the ZCU board. After that, our React Native application can run the algorithm and showcase the information we need, as you can see, which is having or not a face mask. Now, after this initial system has detected if you have or not a face mask, we will go through two options. One, if the system detects you don't have one, on the back end it will send a signal to the ESP32 in order to open the dispenser and offer the user a face mask with some motivation, I might add. After that, the user would have to use the face mask, and we move on to the second part. After the system detects that you have a mask, it will ask to check your temperature and will let you pass if both conditions are satisfied. Moving on to the React Native app. The ZCU sends the proper images through MQTT to the smartphone, in which we can monitor the results of the events, such as having a face mask or not. Now here is the demo of everything working at once. There you can see the camera. The ZCU detects that the person is not wearing a face mask, so it offers one. Later, after detecting the user has one, asks to take temperature. As soon as both conditions are met, he can enter the establishment. Thank you for watching.